Hello guys, and welcome back to another videos. So right in this video we are going to be talking about something quite strange that I've been seeing in the internet. So macro analyst Lane says Bitcoin is unlikely to go below 20,000, but once Bitcoin could crash if this happens. So what is going to happen? If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification, because I give you latest news on crypto, and not just latest news. We talk about a lot of educational things on here, because this is the best place that you need to be. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification and smash the like button. So macro investment strategist Lynn says she would be surprised to see Bitcoin drop below 20,000. In a new interview, Alden says that Bitcoin is less likely to have extreme price swings now that the market is maturing. So what does this mean for Bitcoin? So this is because of the way that the market cycle has been reacting on since this year, and not just that, there's every possibility that this could even come to pass. So I don't know if this is actually going to come true, as this is not a prediction from me, but this is just a saying from Lane. So I want you guys to understand something. Since you are in a crypto market, I feel that this is a good time for you to have as plenty stable coins as possible, so you can be able to make more money by taking some risk. So, and having some stable coins will also help you to manage risk as well. So basically the market, I think, is more mature, so I would be somewhat surprised to see a 20,000 print set by Lane. So despite her optimism, Alden says that the Bitcoin crash is still possible under certain circumstances. So the environment that I can imagine getting there, if I would have put all my bare heart for a second, it would basically be that the Fed's tightening, or at least talking about tightening. So, and this is the reason why the whole crypto market has been down for the most part. If you could go back to check on the crypto market cycle, you will see that Bitcoin and all these coins are supposed to be increasing in January, and sometimes they are also supposed to increase in February. Then in March, the market is always supposed to be on bearish. So I think if you have a liquidity event, if you have a credit card market freeze, if you have some sort of major events like that, I could see a very illiquid Bitcoin spike down set by Lane. I think, bearing that, I would somewhat surprised to see a sub 20,000 sustained level set by Lane also. And Arden comments comes after Bitcoin dropped below 34,000, or half of its all-time high this week. At the time of writing, the benchmark cryptocurrency is trading at 37,000. So let me know what you think in the comments, so we could know if this is true, or if this is just, you know, I don't know, because I feel that this whole thing isn't supposed to be happening, but due to the way the bearish market is approaching us day by day, and the way we've been seeing the market going sideways, I feel that you guys also needs to be careful and make sure you have as much as stable coins as you can, because it's not a good time for crypto. But I believe that in February this year we are going to be seeing a huge increase in our crypto market. But have it in mind that we also need to prepare for March, because on March is always going to be so crazy, because that's the time when the stock market and the crypto market and some other market always goes down to bearish movement. So you need to also get equipped, and also if you don't have no money, you need to start looking for money to hold on and have as plenty stable coins as possible, so you could be able to buy as many coin as possible. So guys, this is all I have to say today. Do not forget to subscribe and share this video to all of your friends, and make sure you stay tuned. And do not forget, this year we are still going to be seeing a huge run up on crypto, because there are going to be about 1 billion people joining our crypto space, and half of them are going to be entering by holding on Bitcoin and some other ones. So anything could happen. So this may never come true, but you need to just have this in mind that this could happen at any time. So at your leisure, try to get on my channel and check for more videos like educational videos, because that's what we share on here that you might like.